Today's star of the shave is the Razor Company Apothecary Mug. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, the star of the shave is the Razor Company Apothecary Mug. I'm also using a RazoRock Plissoft 400 synthetic knot. See, I like those old-fashioned grips. Okay, let me get on with the rest of the lineup. I'm using as a soap, Noxzema shave cream tube. It's a cocoa bud. It really smells good. And for the aftershave, I'm using their protective shave care. It can also be used as a shave soap. I hadn't tried it yet. It's more better as a aftershave, like a balm or like a lotion, or you'll see at the end. I'm using this beautiful Gem Contour 1 push button. And of course, I'm using the modified OneBlade with the gem spine. I'll open it, okay. Oop, you even get frog. Wrong way I was opening it, you see? Okay. And of course, my bougie sprayer. I tell people I keep falling down this rabbit hole. I got a younger one. Almost Mitchies and matches. Oh, man. I'm so glad to be able to shave. How's everyone doing? Holiday seasons are upon us. Being thankful for what I have and the people in my lives. And the reason why I chose the Razor Company Apothecary Mug is a great product, first of all. Second of all, I want to pay honor to a great way to have a shave. Some people just throw in some soap puck in it. I just throw in some little like a soap tube. Well, when I use certain products, right? Now it's the Razor Company. It reminds me of a community that supports one another. It reminds me of honor. It reminds me of love and caring and all that. That's when I use a product that that's not only a great product, but with that's backed by a great community. I know I'm rambling on, but that's how I feel. What do you think? When you use something, maybe wet shaving or non-wet shaving, why do you use it? Is it the community? Is it the quality of the product? Let me know in the comments, please. Oh, man. And people know me. I have a special relationship with gem razors. And ladder catchers. I should say ladder catchers and gem style razors. Yes. Oh, first pass already down. I just want to hear what you have. What inspires you? I know there's some people who look at food the way I look at wet shaving. Or some people look at sports team. Or some people look at various things. I just want to know in the comments, please. Let's start this conversation. I'm doing a shave and I want us to chat. Oh man, beautiful. By the way, these Noxzema products are unobtainium. They made it and then they stopped. But how about you? Do you like using unobtainium products? And when you do, is there a special time of the month or year? Let me know in the comments. Oh. God, this is good. I just have I always say, I have a special relationship with gem and ladder catcher razors. It's something like, it's like, you have a special person in your life, but with me, it's with the wet shaving gear. Let me know what's special in your life that's person or non-person, if I'm making sense. Ooh. That feedback, especially with these blades, is so beautiful. It's like, more crisper than when you use a DE. Distilled water tastes good. Nah, this isn't a soap tasting lather thing, This is more a serious shave, you're in a rush and you gotta get somewhere and you gotta look good. Yeah. God, I love this lather. Well, I'm learning that there's going to be products that are going to be long-lasting, and there's going to be products that stay for the minute. But at that time, you should enjoy things. Same with everything in life. Let me know what things you liked in life that used to be around, that's no more around. Please, I want to conversate with y'all, people. Oh, man. I have a great day. I had a meeting in my program. It was so cool. My camera. Oh. Yeah, no more technical difficulties. Hear that feedback. I keep on saying someone needs to do an ASMR with this, and I really hope they do. What are you thankful this holiday season, or just this year in general? It doesn't. You should be thankful every day that you're able to take a breath, and I'm learning that now. I mean, I knew that, but I didn't implement it. How about in the comment? What did you know already, but you need to put into practice more? I want to know. I want to hear everyone's thoughts on things. I'm going to wipe down now. Oh, man. Beautiful. I love this shaving chat. It's not only for me, but it's also for you. But I was going to say, I should say it's not only for you, it's for me. That's what I meant. It's more a therapeutic exercise in building my self-esteem and confidence in hearing my voice. What do you think about watching people talk and shave? Or talking, like, what is your influence on what you watch on YouTube or social media? I want to know. Please, I want to hear about that. I'm curiously eager to hear. You are all motivating me to be a better person, and I thank you for that. Wet shavers and non-wet shavers. Just people in general. God, okay. I'm going to go for this little nice shave protection. Take a little scoop. It doesn't need that much, you see? Yeah. Ooh. Oh, sorry for the noise. Wow. Oh. Beautiful. Let me close the cap. So I'm going to go over my lineup again. Today I used the Noxzema Protective Shave, cocoa butter flavor. And I used the Protective Shave as an aftershave. Let me see. Yep. These are unattainium now. It's very hard to find. I used the Gem Contour Push Button 1 with the beautiful OneBlade and the gem spine on it, you see? And of course, my bougie sprayer. And RazoRock Plift 400 brush. And of course, the star of the shave that motivates me, that I look at it and I'm proud to be a part of this community. The Razor Company Apothecary Mug. It took me a while to say apothecary. Oh, a little side note. I use my always trusty TRC. Oh, a little cut here, but it's gone. My TRC scooper. Wow, thank you for watching till the end. And if you have time on Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, go to Instagram. Go to either the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live. You get to watch 4 great people talk about wet shaving life and just cracking jokes. Anyone of all ages are welcome to watch. It's family friendly. And for all your wet shaving needs, please go to therazorcompany.com. Wow, thank you so much for staying to the end, and have a great year. Bye.